plier storage. These things can be a pain to store in your toolbox, especially or mainly the ones that are spring loaded like this that stay open. I mean, you can't store them vertically unless you got some really deep drawers. So I have mine in my plier drawer on a magnetic rail, but I'd really like to be able to store these vertically. I've got a handful of them, maybe like half a dozen or so, that are spring loaded and they all stay open, but I can't fit them vertically. So I've been playing around with a 3D printer and I came up with this. It's a pretty little simple little plier nose cone with an 8mm neodymium magnet in there. And now I can pliers, stick that on there. That'll keep them closed. Now I can store them vertically. And I made it kind of universal. I mean, I pretty much made them, I used this set of pliers to kind of model it. And then I printed it out and took them around to all my different pliers just to see how they might work. I mean, there's that set. There's a small pair of little mini cutters. Stick it on there. And now these all fit vertically. I mean, I even got this weird set of like these little nose cutters. And this one, actually, if you put them on backwards, it holds it. And as you can see, holds it in there pretty securely. So now I can lay all my pliers vertical and get more storage, like in the rack video that I just did. I can now store these in a vertical rack. And I printed them with this bright orange. It's actually a transparent orange filament that I ordered by accident. So I printed these in a bright orange. So now I can take these out of my toolbox, take the little nose cone off, throw it in the box, use the pliers. When I go to put them away, this will be easily seen laying in the bottom of the box. Stick it on there, and now I can store my pliers vertical. And like I said, I printed it in such a way that this magnet stays in there, nice and secure. Like I said, it's an 8mm neodymium magnet. Stays nice and secure in there, no glue needed. Yeah, and it just goes on to all of my pliers, just like that. I will leave a link to this design on my Creality cloud. You'll be able to go download the STL file, be able to print this out. I'll leave a link to some of just these 8mm magnets that I use. It is a little tight to get in there, but I designed it like that so that the magnet, you just pop it in with maybe like a screwdriver and a little hammer, just to pop it in place, and it'll stay nice and secure in there. Like I said, even on a larger pair of pliers where there's a lot of meat, that magnet is not coming out of there. So nice and secure. Yeah, pretty nifty little doodad there with the 3D printer. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell. I'll see you on the next one.